Now in this step, we're going to walk through how to install the Screencastify record extension. So you're going to go to the next box and you're going to click this link. Once you click this link, it's going to open up this web page. I already have it on this account, so I'm going to go to a new account and walk you through what it looks like from a brand new account. So I've opened the link and you're going to click this blue Add to Chrome. So go ahead and click the blue Add to Chrome. Then once this screen pops up, you're going to hit Add Extension. Once you click that screen, you're going to go over here to this little puzzle piece looking extension and you're going to pin it. So again, puzzle piece extension, and you're going to click it and it's going to turn blue and it's going to pop up here. This little icon means Screencastify. This is how we're going to record our videos. So again, you're going to click right here and you're going to pin it. Okay. Now that we have our extension, you are going to click that extension and you're going to sign in with Google. Once you sign in, you're going to hit allow. And then you're going to agree right here. And you're going to say that you are a student. And you're going to hit yes. Okay. And then you can just hit dismiss. But this is just talking about how to use that Chrome extension. It's talking about just a reminder to pin it. On this step, it's talking about how to use it, which we're going to talk about in the next couple videos, and using the annotation tools. Okay, so right here is again my extension. Make sure you go and add that extension. And once you're signed in, you're going to get this screen, sign in with Google.